Okay, today what we're going to look at is creating your first Google site. To do that, you need to log in to Wisdom, and once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Apps block over here on the right hand side of the screen. Click on Sites. It's now going to load, and you may need to click this sign here. It's going to load your Google site. Now, if you haven't made a Google site before, you'll see a different window to this. But because I've made sites before, I see a list of all the sites that have been shared with me and a button, Create a New Site. If you get a screen other than this, have a look over this side where you can see the mouse moving now on the right hand side, and look for the Create New Site button and click on it. It then takes you to a screen where you set up your site. You can have a look through the gallery and look at some templates, but at the moment we're not going to be concentrating. You can have a look at those in your own time. We're going to create one based on a blank template. I want you to name your site your username. Mine's Patterson L, yours might be 12SmithJ1. Okay, and then underscore and your subject name. Today we're going to be making one called for ICT. It's the first one you'll probably make. Or it might be a student-led conference, or some after your name, put a word, just one word, that describes the purpose of the site that you're making. You don't need to change this bit down here. Choose a theme. You can pick the colours, schemes, or whatever. Have a look through those, pick one of those, and go into more options. Okay, site categories. This will be subject. Okay, site for ICT work and blogs. So write a description and a subject. If it's for a student-led conference, then here put student-led conference. Okay. Be very careful with the collaboration. Okay, please always choose only people I specify can view this site. Most of the time you do not want everybody at West Island School to see it, and very rarely you will want to make it public, and then click the Create Site button. You then need to wait for it to go and do a bit of work, and that may or may not take much time depending upon your internet connection. Now your site's created and you get a home page as default. Over here, up on the right hand side, are your editing buttons. So we can add more pages, we can edit this page. So I might want to go in and change, say this title here. And I think, no, okay, so we can change the name of this. So you can put whatever you like in here. You can use these buttons up the top here to edit your text. Okay. And don't forget you've got all of these things here that you'll need to play around with. Okay, 1 column, 2 columns, 3 column, whatever. So you've got all of these tools here. And save the site. Adding pages is really easy. Click the Create Page, and you get a choice of 5 different types of pages. Okay, so a plain web page, announcements, this is a mini blog, so just a single one blog, file storage page, lists, or a per user start page. Okay, so I want you to make a blog page and call it ICT blog. Normally we'll put it under the main page, the first page. Okay.